if you're a beginner and you want to know how to use SelfyzAI, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So to use SelfyzAI, just go ahead and download the app, right? And basically go ahead inside that interface. And after you download the app, basically you're going to be able to use the SelfyzAI, an AI-powered app for turning photos into videos. You can go ahead and click turn image into a video. And as you can see right here, I already added my own photo. And I can select the duration and click Get Pro. In order to generate photos into videos, you need to subscribe to their two plans. They have the weekly plan and they have the yearly plan, so you can have access to all that. So you can just go ahead and start a free trial, right, by buying weekly, right? I can go ahead and start a free trial, for example, right, 3-day free trial, and I'm gonna show you basically how it's done. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. I'm gonna confirm right here. I'm gonna show you the free trial. I'm gonna generate a prompt by clicking continue right here. I'm gonna allow notifications, and as you can see right here, they will generate the photo, and I'm gonna get back to you after they generate the dance video. And as you can see right here, this is the final result, right? I can go ahead and click HD video, right? And I can apply the HD effect to basically share it across social media, or I can download it to my photos, right? Click right here, download at the bottom left, and you can save it successfully to your photo album. So basically that's how it works. You can go ahead and use also the face edit by adding your face. You can select the gender if you want it to be male or female. I don't want to go there. And you can see right here age. You can select child, youth, middle, the old, right? And you can apply those settings to your photos to turn your photo to an older version of you. So basically you're gonna go ahead right here and cancel, right? You can go back right here and see right here the many features that you could use: image to video, face edit, enhance, AI background, AI out painting, AI makeup, future baby, AI retake, erase, portrait, AI transform, and many other features that you could use on your own free time. But mainly you could turn photos into videos. You could shape how your reality would be, right, from simply adding your photo. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.